हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इजी स्टडी जोन। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज। इन जेआईबी एग्जाम there are 3 to 5 questions on government policies which is related with the banking current affairs. So we will discuss some government policies over here. So let's start. Our Prime Minister of India have developed some policies and yojnas to develop our country. So here are some. Make in India started on 25th September 2014. Digital India, it is launched on 1st of July 2015 to transform Indian economy. Digital India has three core components, that is creation of digital infrastructure, delivering services digitally, digital literacy. Skill India, it is launched on 15 July 2015 to create jobs for youth. For youth skill development, managing skill should be available to all youth of India. Smart Cities, it is launched on 29th April 2015. Total 100 cities were selected from all states to transform into smart cities. Unearth black money. Bill passed on 15 July 2015. It is based on disclosing the black money and punishment for the black money holders. Namami Gange. This project has launched to clean the Ganga river. For this, Government of India announced Rs 2037 crore towards this mission. Namami Gange project aims at rejuvenation by climbing the existing ongoing efforts and planning under it to create a concrete action plan for the future. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is launched on 2nd October 2014. The target is to clean India by 2nd October 2019, that is 5 years, by eliminating open defecation by constructing toilet for household communities, introducing modern and scientific solid waste management, enable private sectors to participate and change people's attitude towards sanitization awareness. Swadesh Darshan, integrated development of theme-based Buddhist tourist circuit under Swadesh Darshan. Following 5 circuits are there: Northeast Circuit, Buddhist Circuit, Himalayan Circuit, Coastal Circuit and Krishna Circuit. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. This project has launched on 22nd January 2015 by PM Narendra Modi as a part of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. The scheme provides 8% rate of interest. It has a tax benefit. It can be opened in any post office and some branch of authorized commercial bank. Bal Swachhata Abhiyan. It is launched on 14 November 2014 based on 6 themes. First, clean school and Anganwadis, clean surroundings and playgrounds, clean self-child health, clean food, clean drinking water, clean toilets. Next, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, everyone knows. It is launched on 28 August 2014. The aim of his Yojana to tackle the financial inclusion by opening the saving accounts, remittances, credits, insurance, pension in an affordable manner. In this scheme, the account holder can open account with zero balance with RuPay debit card in addition to accidental insurance coverage of Rs 1 lakh. In continuation with Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, those who open an account by 26 January 2015 will get Rs 1 lakh accidental insurance and 30,000 life insurance cover. After 6 months, account holder can avail the loan of Rs 5,000. Mobile banking is also available for poor under National Unified USSD platform. By 28 Jan 2015, 12.58 crore accounts were opened with around 10,590 crore of sum. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. It is launched on 9th May 2015. This Yojana ensured the accidental death and partial disability with Rs 12 premium yearly and coverage is Rs 2 lakh. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana. It is launched on 9th May 2015. This Yojana ensured the natural and accidental death with Rs 330 rupees premium yearly and coverage of Rs 2 lakh. Atal Pension Yojana. It is launched on 9th May 2015. The aim of his scheme is to provide pension to non-taxpayer with by saving the very small amount till the age of 60 years. After that, a person get regular monthly pension from rupees 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, the choice of the selected while registering. The age criteria for this is 18 to 40 years. Premium is based on age from 194 rupees to 1324 rupees. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Initiative taken by government to build strong house for financial assistance of rupees 1,20,000 in plain areas and 1,30,000 in hilly areas will be given to all homeless. The cost will be shared between central and state government in the ratio of 60:40. For hilly and northeastern, the ratio is 90:10. Beneficiaries entitled for 90 days of unskilled from MG Narega insured through and PMAY, that is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. So here we have discussed the major yojnas or major policies. I hope this will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Let's move on to the next video.